In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and click on those three lines at the top left corner. Most people forget that you should always do that while cleaning your Gallery app, because thanks to it you will see all of those options and be able to decide if you want to delete your photos from pictures or albums. Let's start with pictures. If you want to delete them, hold 1 and either click on those dots at the top left corners to select multiple from chosen section, or click all at the top left corner to pick all of them. Now, you need to click on all of your pictures you wanna keep, and to get rid of the rest, in my case those 4 photos, tap on Delete button at the bottom and tap on Move to Trash. If you want to delete them from albums, tap on an album, hold 1, and click on All at the top left corner right away. Now tap on your photos you wanna keep and get rid of the rest the same way as you would before. Additionally, if you deleted any photo you didn't want to, don't worry. Just scroll all the way down in this section on the left and tap on Trash. Now you can restore it by holding it and tapping on Restore at the bottom on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!